Well, hey again everyone, this is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I built a super high current capacity bus bar using these copper washers here. Now up until a couple of days ago, this is how I was building my bus bars. A 3/8 steel bolt, and then I used the 3/8 nuts as separators to keep all the wires neatly separated from each other. And that's been working fine. I haven't had any issues with that as far as heat buildup or anything like that, because really all I've been running through these bus bars is maybe about a couple hundred amps. And for this amount of mass of steel here, I think that that works out perfectly fine for a setup like that. But in the near future, I'm going to be probably switching over to my 24-volt inverter full time. And that'll draw up to 300 amps, and then I'm going to have about 6 or 7 300 amp lithium banks, and each one of those in the charge cycle could be drawing up to 75 amps a piece. So I could have the potential of running upwards of near 1,000 amps through one of these bus bars here, and even with that mass of steel there, I don't believe that would be able to handle 1,000 amps. It'd probably get pretty hot if it could. One of the ways I know that is because I took one day I took a wire, and just as an experiment, I connected up a wire on one end of these 3/8 threaded rods here, and put a wire at the other end of it and put it through the system, and ran about 100 amps on it. And this thing got super hot, and if I remember correctly, I think the thing even started glowing. So steel is a very poor conductor, and you definitely don't want to use that for high current handling capacity. But then while I was pondering that, what I should do about that, I thought maybe I ought to replace those bus bars with copper bolts, but you can't find copper bolts hardly. So one of the guys in our Gab solar group came up with this idea, and it was brilliant. And what I did is I took those copper washers and took out the nuts and put the copper washers in its place, and just used as many washers as I needed to separate the wires so that they were neatly separated apart from each other, and tightened it all up with one nut. And there's enough massive copper there touching each other that I don't think there's any kind of issue whatsoever of the amount of current that this can handle. So I'm real happy with that idea. So that's what I'm going with. And this doesn't cost a whole lot to do either. 3/8 bolt like that, maybe $3 or $4, and got a pack of 50 copper washers there, and that was about $15 off of eBay. And that's how I came up with the idea for super capacity bus bar. So there you go. That's about all I got to show you on this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.